Hi guys, today I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to do it so you guys can follow on too. So the first thing we're going to use is this face powder that makes your skin less red. It is by Bare Minerals and the shade I'm using is Fair 1. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid and then grab my brush and kind of mix it and then tap it so it's not too much. And then I'll apply it to my face. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the rest of my face. Okay, and we are all done with that, so I'm just going to close it up. Okay, so this next thing is this little matte concealer. So I just like to apply it to the pimples I have on my face. And I'll do that to all of them. So the next thing I'm going to use, this is Ombre Blush by NYX. So here's what it looks like. You can see it's like light pink and then it goes to dark pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like apply some of that just to right here, just like that. And then the other side too. We're going to use this Pacifica kit, which is pretty much new. And I like to use this vaping one because it looks really pretty. So here's a better look at all the colors you can see. And then at the top it says "You're so pretty." And then I just like to use this little tiny brush and apply the eyeshadow. So on this one, you can see a little bit goes a long way. So you just kind of have to like blend it in a lot. Here's what the eyeshadow looks like applied. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then apply mascara. So I used this Bye Bye Panda Eye mascara. So here's the mascara. And right here, there's some little dots. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that with a Q-tip. And then sometimes I'll just leave the makeup like this. But today I'm going to add eyeliner. So here it is. It is by e.l.f. and it is like retractable too. Like it's a pencil. Like that. So I just like to put it out a tiny bit so it's not too much. So then I hold it like a pencil. And then I just kind of like go up. And here's the eyeliner on. Okay, and that is it for this makeup routine video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. And also comment down below if you like my makeup routine. Bye guys!